going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nord Trades, and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, the calendar, what's going on with earnings, and then all the charts that I'm looking to take advantage of this week. So please keep in mind, tomorrow the market is closed, obviously for Labor Day, but Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, I will be going on Instagram Live doing a quick pre-market review, because whatever I give you on this watch list, the opposite could happen this week. We wait for either side. I'm not bullish or bearish. I let whatever comes, and I take advantage of it. So first thing is obviously the economic calendar here. Monday, market is closed. Tuesday, there's not much going on. You have motor vehicle sales, factory orders. Wednesday, you guys have ISM service index. And then you have someone speaking, not that important either. Thursday, jobless claims, productivity costs, quarterly service survey. There's not much going on Thursday either. Friday, wholesale inventories, consumer credit. Yeah, it's a pretty calm week here. We don't have the Fed speaking. You don't have Powell speaking, thankfully. And we could focus more on the charts. As far as earnings as well, there isn't much going on there either. You have, maybe GameStop for all the degenerates. You have DocuSign. Those two stocks really do move. Other than that, I wouldn't be following any of these stocks. I wouldn't even be following GameStop or DocuSign. So nothing going on here is important for me. So before we go ahead and continue here with the charts, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other stocks you're looking at for this week. What stocks are you guys looking at? And let's see if we can match up and see if we're watching the same thing this week. And then what was I going to say? We also have newer videos coming out tomorrow. Be prepared for a video at 6 p.m. It'll be on Nord Trades. The Sunday stock watch list will be on stock hours from now on. So pay attention to that. And yeah, I'll try to do as many Sunday stock watch lists as I can. So the first thing I'm watching here this week is Tesla. The reason I'm watching Tesla, as you can see here, we used to have resistance at this 244 level. Now it's kind of holding up as support. And we kind of bounced right off of it. We did wick under it on Friday. I wasn't here for that. I was kind of gone 10-15 minutes into the market. But as you can see, we wicked under it. What I will be watching this week is that 240 level. And then we have a little bit of supply zone here into 238, 239 area. So I will see how weak we are. Maybe I'll take my position at 242. I'm not really, too focused on that. I'm going to be a little patient on that unless I see some weakness off the open while the market has some strength. So that's Tesla. Netflix is another one that I'm watching this week. This thing is a little strong. We're at 440 here. As you can see, Friday, we pushed off the open here from 433 all the way up to 445. If I put this on the 4-hour chart, you can see that we're kind of breaking out here. We had this little downtrend going, and we were hovering above it. We finally broke out. Some volume there as well on the bigger time frame. So I'll be watching 445 into 450, and then hopefully there we can start, to get going on this stock. Obviously, the next thing that I'm really kind of watching after that 445 is this 448 level, and then 450, and then it should be a little bit of a smooth sailing after that, depending on if we get that strength or not. So that's Netflix. Nvidia is something else that I'm watching. Just because I'm giving you the upsides or the downsides of any of these stocks doesn't mean I'm bullish or bearish. It's just what I'm looking at currently, right? So I'm not going to come in Tuesday and, all right, I'm bullish on Netflix, I'm going to get in at open. It's not how it works, right? If it was, it would be a lot easier. So Nvidia here, I'm watching this 500 level. We got rejected pretty hard. I ended up catching the downside on this Friday. It slipped pretty quickly. Let me show you guys the 1 minute real quick. Look at this. Monday, we slipped through 490. Look at this. When we got to 490, we slipped all the way down here. Where is that? 484, and then hit a low of 481 that day. And what am I watching on this? I am watching the 500. Downside, I could be watching this 480 level. As you guys can see, we've bounced here in this area. It's actually not even 480. It's 483 and change. I'll probably wait for 480 just so I can get a bigger confirmation that we're going to start dropping. And from 480, there's a lot of room here down to like 470-ish. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, during earnings, this had a big run of 520. Came all the way down past where it was at the close of that earnings day, which was like 470-ish. So this chart isn't really that healthy, but there is a downtrend, right? So I will be paying attention to the upside, and I am watching that downside at 480. Next stock here is Roku. Roku, you guys can see I don't really play this stock, but I will mention it, even though I might not even take this trade myself. But I will bring it up to you guys just because there's a lack of volume on contracts. I'd rather not deal with it, especially with the amount of contracts I buy personally. It doesn't really make sense. But you guys can see we have a little flat top here at this 82, 83 level. We peaked right here with a wick pre-market 82.69. I am looking at 83 to the upside. If we do have the right amount of volume on the shares and then the right amount of volume on the contracts, possibly I'll take this trade. But that is something I'm kind of watching. That's more of like a side watch, if anything, like literally having nothing else to play. I'll possibly take this Roku trade. So that's Roku. And then another surprising one to the watch list is Shopify. So as you guys can see, we're kind of flagging. Last couple days we've been running here. We are flagging at the 67 level, 66 level. Now, am I going to take this trade? Same thing with Roku. If the volume's there, I'll take it. But I am watching the $68 level. After that, it could be very smooth sailing past this high on the 4-hour chart, which is around $70, $71. So I am watching the upside on Shop. As we get closer, so Tuesday, obviously make sure you come here for the Instagram Live. I'll give you more into detail that morning of, because obviously the market's about to open, and I can tell you exactly what I'm looking at. So make sure you guys don't miss that on Tuesday. And then throughout the week, I will be posting on Trade Like Nor, my charts and stuff like that. I only have 3 Instagrams, Nor Trades, Trade Like Nor, and Stock Hours. So please don't get scammed, and obviously all that WhatsApp stuff in the comments. That's not me. I don't have WhatsApp, but I do have those 3 Instagram accounts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. If we get more than 200 likes on this video, I'll do another Sunday stock watch list. I'll see you guys. Peace.